If wash day in your house takes forever, I'm about to show you the exact products that I use that I know will make wash day a lot more easier for you. Hey mom, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing my favorite wash day product. I'm talking shampoos, rinse out conditioner, deep conditioners, and also protein treatments. I have 4 children and they have different hair types. I'll let you know exactly what works for who. Quick thing before we get started, if your little one's hair is dry, breaking, or it seems like it's just not growing, stay to the end of this video and I'll let you know exactly what that thing is. All right, so let's start with shampoos. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Shampoo. Now this one I really like. It cleans really well, which is a good thing, but it doesn't feel like you're using a shampoo at all. It is not drying. It's actually quite softening. Surprisingly, when you're shampooing the hair, it feels really, really nice. On the label, it does say that it's softening. It also says that it can be used for detangling. I personally do not use shampoo for detangling, but I can understand why some people would want to use it to detangle because it is that softening. And it honestly cleanses the hair and the scalp without overly stripping the hair. That's one thing I really like about it. After you rinse the shampoo, the hair still feels nice. It kind of feels like you've already used a conditioner, even though you haven't. I still condition after I use this shampoo, but it feels like I already have condition. Now this shampoo I use for all 4 of my children. As I mentioned in the very beginning, they all have different hair types and this one works really well on all of their hair. Now mama, you know I always have a disclaimer whenever I do a product type video, and this one is no different. Mama, none of these products will grow your little one's hair. Yes, it will help with length retention. Yes, it will help to condition, to soften your little one's hair, and just help with the overall maintenance of your little one's hair. And of course, it'll make it less prone to breakage. But that's about it. Now let's move on to clarifying shampoo. Now you've all seen this one before. I featured it in quite a few of my videos. It is a Tresemme Cleanse and Replenish shampoo. This one is an all-time favorite. I've been using it for years and I still love this clarifying shampoo. It cleanses the hair really well, but surprisingly, once again, it isn't stripping at all. It actually feels like you're using a regular cleansing shampoo and not a clarifying shampoo. That's how good this clarifying shampoo is. Like I said, it's not overly stripping at all. It really does remove stubborn buildup from the hair, and it also doubles as a chelating shampoo. So it's a clarifying and chelating shampoo. So it's going to remove hard water buildup from the hair. It's going to remove chlorine from the hair, etc. So this is a good 2-in-1 shampoo. So I use a shampoo again for all 4 of my children. I recently started using this shampoo on my youngest, who turned 3 last month. Her hair loves this shampoo too, so I'm so happy that it works for all of them. So this is currently our only clarifying shampoo. I've shared other clarifying shampoos in the past. I still do love those, but I just want to stick to one clarifying shampoo and one regular shampoo that works for all 4 of my children's hair. And I also use this on my locks too, so it works for the whole family. My husband also used this shampoo as well, so all of us use this clarifying shampoo. Okay, so now let's move on to rinse out conditioners. Now these are specifically for detangling my children's hair on wash day. So let's start with the Faith in Nature rinse out conditioner. I use this rinse out conditioner for my youngest, who is 3. I use it to detangle her hair, and honestly this rinse out conditioner is very softening on her hair. It's conditioning. It also has good slip for her hair. It doesn't work as well for my other children, but on her hair the slip is really good. It helps me to detangle her hair easily, and it just does what it's supposed to do. I really like this rinse out conditioner for her hair. Now the next one is the L'Oreal Elvie rinse out conditioner. Now mama, you know that this one is another favorite of mine. I have featured this rinse out in a lot of my videos, particularly with my eldest daughter, but this, as you know, is a staple. This rinse out conditioner, I bless the day that I found this rinse out conditioner. It has made detangling so easy for all of my children. So I've recently also started using this for my youngest, who is 3, and it also works just as well for her hair. This is a silicone based conditioner, and this is exactly why it works so well on my children's hair, because it contains silicone. It genuinely makes detangling so easy. Mama, you've got to try this. It is absolutely an amazing rinse out conditioner, specifically for detangling. The slip, it is slippery. It is going to help you detangle your little one's hair with so much ease, I promise you. So now let's move on to deep conditioners. So the first one is the Angel hair mask. So the first time I tried this Angel hair mask, I tried it on my hair first and it was absolutely amazing. I tried it on my eldest daughter's hair as well next, and her hair absolutely loved it. I'll tell you a little secret though. When I first purchased this deep conditioner, I didn't want to share it with any of them. It was so good on my hair that I wanted to keep it for myself. Eventually, I tried it on my daughter's hair, but honestly, it is such an amazing deep conditioner. It is softening instantly. As soon as you put it on the hair, you can feel the instant results. Now, I'm not joking. This is the only deep conditioner I've ever tried that instantly you can feel that it's working. You can see and feel that it's working. It is really good. This deep conditioner has really good slip as well. I don't use it for detangling. I just use it as a deep conditioner. But if I was to choose a deep conditioner for detangling, this would definitely be one of them. The slip is really good, and as I mentioned, it just conditions the hair really well. And the great thing about this deep conditioner as well is that after you've rinsed the deep conditioner off the hair feels so good still. So even when it comes to styling, you can tell you've deep conditioned the hair. The hair feels real good. And I love deep conditioners that even after rinsing, you can still feel the benefits on the hair. I've actually run out. I need to purchase some more. And did I mention that it works for all 4 of my children's hair? The next one is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. Now this one has been a staple for many years. I have loved this deep conditioner. I stopped using it for a while. I think I just got carried away with my other favorite deep conditioners that I forgot about it. But I recently tried it again and I remembered why I loved this deep conditioner. It conditions and it softens the hair really well. And once again, even after rinsing, the hair feels really good. Now I've used this deep conditioner with heat and without heat. By the way, the Angel deep conditioner, I don't even have to use heat with it. Without heat, it still works amazingly on my children's hair. Now with the Camille Rose Algae Renew, with heat, it works amazing. Without heat, I would say it's good, but with heat, it's even more amazing. So the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner, I've used it for all of my children and it works well on all of their hair. The next one is the Matrix Food for Soft Deep Conditioner. Now this one is a current favorite. I've been using it for some months now, but I really love this deep conditioner. I love the fact that it comes in a big tub. So I usually get the big tub because I have 4 children. They all have a lot of hair. So this one lasts us for a while. Instantly, it's softening, it's conditioning, it's smoothing, and like I said with the others, once you've rinsed it off, the hair still feels good. Now again, with this deep conditioner, I find that using heat, so a heated cap or something like that, works even well with this deep conditioner. So without it, it's good, but with heat, it is even better. So whenever I use this one and a Camille Rose one, I always like to use heat with both of them. It also has a really nice slip. So if you wanted to detangle with a deep conditioner, this would be another one that I would suggest. The slip is really good. As I mentioned before, I don't detangle with deep conditioner, so I don't detangle with this, but it does have good slip for detangling. Again, I've used it for all 4 of my children and it works really well on all of their hair. The next one is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This is another one. It used to be a staple when I was a loose and natural. I've used it for many years and it's been a staple. They've recently changed the formula and it's also slightly thicker than when I used to use it back in the days, but it's still an amazing deep conditioner. On my 5, 8 and 10-year-old and it works really well. It has really nice slip if you want to use it for detangling, but it's really softening. When you put it on the hair, you instantly feel that softness. It is conditioning and even after rinsing, the hair still feels good. With this deep conditioner, with or without heat, it works really well on the hair. Sometimes I even mix my protein drops. I've shared it before, I'm going to talk about it in a second, but I mix some protein drops in this one and I use it on my eldest daughter's hair. Now let's talk about the Amino Touch protein drops. So these protein drops are amazing, mama. I currently use it on my 10-year-old and my 5-year-old daughter's hair, and it works so well. This is a pure collagen and keratin protein treatment. Helps to temporarily repair dry, damaged, overprocessed, frizzy hair. It also helps temporarily with split ends. So I've been using this for a while, particularly on my 10-year-old's hair. See me feature it in some of my other videos. Her hair absolutely loves this protein treatment. So does my 5-year-old's hair. I've recently started introducing it into her regimen, and both of their hair really likes it. Instantly, when you use it, you can just tell that the hair is more strengthened. The hair also looks a lot more shinier. It just looks overall a lot more healthy. These protein drops can be mixed with your current favorite deep conditioner. This is the reason why I really like it, because you can mix it with your favorite deep conditioner and then turn it into a protein treatment for your little one. It also doesn't make the hair feel hard or anything. You don't have to do like a moisture based treatment after using these protein drops. You can just use the protein drops, rinse, and then carry on with the rest of your little one's styling, for example. That's the reason why I like it. You don't need to do anything after that. It's so easy to use, so easy to mix with your little ones, and like I mentioned before, the results are instant. Instantly you feel the hair feels stronger in a good way. It also helps to soften the hair. After you rinse, the hair still feels good, the hair looks shiny. It is just an overall really great protein treatment. So if you notice your little one's hair is breaking recently, or their hair feels quite mushy, or you've been using a lot of heat recently, this would be a good protein treatment to try. If you want to know how I use these protein drops, check out the video showing right now on the screen. In that video, I'll show you exactly how to use these protein drops. Now mama, if your little one's hair is dry, breaking, or you feel like it's just not growing no matter what product you use, my free masterclass is where you need to start. I break down exactly what is going on and a 5-step framework that actually changes things. The link is in the description box below. I would love to see you there, mama. All right, mama, I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.